Hello friends, how are you? Fine? You must be fine. I also am fine. So, shall we start? Let's start. In last video, we have seen uses of can as modal auxiliary. Now we are going to discuss may as one of the modal auxiliaries in English. What is the use of may? It is used for permission. So, in order to seek permission, we use may. How? Say for example, if I am late to come in the class and the class is already started, teacher is teaching, the rest students are paying attention to him, then I should seek permission of the teacher to come in the class. Okay, so I should say, may I come in, sir? There may be madam, so I wrote sir. You can write madam or sir. Okay, may I come in, sir? What am I doing? I am seeking permission from my teacher. So another use of may is to express probability or prediction. Okay, in order to express probability, we can use can also, but that is in more polite way, in more polite manner than may. In casual way, we can express probability or prediction with may. Say for example, it may rain today. It may rain today. It means there is probability, possibility, or it is prediction, but with less or low intensity. There is no high intensity. Okay, I am predicating that there may be rain, but its intensity is very low. Another use of may is to express wish. How may can be used to express wish? Say for example, see, may this auspicious day bring a lots of happiness in your life. Okay, what am I doing? I am expressing my wish here. May this auspicious day bring lots of happiness in your life. I am expressing my wish that you have or you should have a lot of happiness in your life, and that wish is expressed on this auspicious day. Okay, so these are the uses of may. Have you got? Though probability and permission also are seek by using can, but the intensity with can is very high and intensity with may is very low. In casual way and day to day life, may is used more than can. Okay, and another, I must tell something else that is not usually written in grammar books or usually told in grammar videos. See, if a sentence is started with modal auxiliary, then that sentence is called as interrogative sentence. It is a question. Most of the times it is a question, but with may, it can be a wish, like this. May this auspicious day bring a lots of happiness in your life. But in the earlier sentence, we started with modal auxiliary, that is may, a question, may I come in, sir? Okay. So keep in mind, though a sentence started with modal auxiliary is called as question, there is an exception, and that exception is of may. Okay. This is not only may, but it is, this is not may, but it is may. Okay. In another video, I will make another video to discuss in detail how to pronounce English words properly, how to pronounce vowels and consonants properly. Okay. So in this video we should stop till then and meet again in next video with another topic. Till then, bye.